Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing a little package from XMONDO as well as recoloring our hair. So if you would like to see what's inside the box as well as my process of recoloring my hair, then just stay tuned. So inside the box we have some hair goodies as well as a little note. So on the note we've got Brad Mondo on the front, and then on the back it says, "Hi Bria, we're so excited to share some of XMONDO's favorite staples with you and hope they add a little extra shine and confidence to elevate your routine. The XMONDO team." And inside, they were kind enough to send over one of my favorite colors by them, you guys. This is Garnet. These are the color depositing masks, and this is a huge tub of color, you guys. So you're gonna get like 2 to 3, maybe even 4 or 5 colors out of this, depending on how much hair you have. And this is the color that I do have in my hair at the moment. I am just so in love. It is such a beautiful color. And what I love about these color depositing masks is not only are they going to color your hair, but they're also going to help contribute to healthy hair as well. They give your hair that next level shine and boost bonds for healthier looking hair. They also infuse the hair with ultimate hydration, which my hair totally could use all the hydration it could get. These are vegan, gluten, and cruelty-free. Next, they sent over another favorite of mine. This is the 5G Golden Brown. When I had brown hair, you guys, this is what I used, and it is just the perfect chocolate rich brown. I am so in love with this brown. Next, they sent over a super gloss intensive glossing treatment. This is a color safe hair mask, so it's not going to strip your hair of the color that you put in it, but it is exactly what it is called. It's a super gloss intensive glossing treatment, you guys. So you put this in your hair, it's not only going to hydrate, boost the bonds, all of that the semi-permanent hair color does, but it's also going to make it extremely glossy. It is a definite shine enhancer. So if your hair is feeling a little lackluster or you feel like it needs that extra shine, this is what you're going to use.
Let's take this underground.
And last but not least, this is a new product for me that I've never used before. This is the Super Gloss Shape Plus Shine Styling Balm. And this balm is going to deliver a flexible hold and nourishing moisture. It's also going to leave your hair smooth and glossy. Next, they sent over the Hydrify Smoothing Oil. And this is an oil that smooths and fights frizz. So basically, you're going to apply 1 to 2 pumps of this to damp or dry hair. Work it from root to tip, and it's going to leave your hair silky and soft.
I got that other stuff. You wanna fall in love? Let me sit next to you. One look I'll make you blush.
So it has been about a week since I colored my hair. And as you can see, the color is still there, and I am so in love, you guys. I get compliments all the time on this hair color. And no joke, you guys, day before yesterday, I was going to pick my kids up from school, and I went to cross the street, and this girl rolled down her window, and she was like, "Your hair is so shiny, girl." And I was like, "Thank you so much." And in my head, I was thinking, it's XMONDO, use my code. Well, that is it, you guys. I just want to say a big thank you to XMONDO. Be sure to use my code to save some money. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.